Are parents being tricked into believing a miracle solution exists for their kids' tantrums, ADHD, autism, or sleep problems? That's exactly the claim behind Neupril Kids Pure Methylfolate, a supplement marketed as flavored drops packed with active folate that supposedly solves everything from mood swings to speech delays, all based on the idea that most children have an MTHFR mutation and can't process folic acid. The ads make this sound like groundbreaking science, but once you look closer, the cracks in the story appear very quickly. First of all, the promotional videos themselves use AI-generated doctors and scripted testimonials that don't stand up to scrutiny, raising serious red flags about credibility. Yes, methylfolate and B12 do play a role in addressing rare deficiencies, but there is absolutely no scientific evidence that they can cure ADHD, autism, or behavioral issues the way this product claims. Even more concerning are the reports from real parents who complain about misleading shipping promises, refund difficulties, and overall poor quality of the supplement. The company also advertises bold but fake claims like having 100,000 plus satisfied parents, being FDA approved, and boasting glowing Trustpilot reviews that appear manipulated. And when you strip away the marketing, what you're left with is essentially a cheap drop-shipped supplement being sold at nearly $45, with fake discounts to make it look like a special deal. So while the glossy ads promise life-changing results, the reality is far from what's being sold. Neupril Kids. Pure methylfolate isn't necessarily harmful in itself, but the way it's being pushed with exaggerated health claims, AI fakery, and questionable business practices makes it a risky buy for parents looking for real help for their children. Always double-check the science and the source before trusting any product that promises to fix everything in a single bottle.